Sitten soitammekin ekan levyn nimikappaleen, jos
right,
se niin
Stone.
voi sanoa. Eli
I
eka
love
biisi.
Finnish.
Biisin nimi on Get
Finnish is such a
Stoned!
cool... Rigoletto, Madden. It's like objectively. No, they're kid. Request whatever you want. We listen to everything here. We just happen to have a lot of metal today. Say a prayer, little one. Okay, never mind. Yeah, Drawless. Yeah, it does. Enter Sandman, I hear you. That's crazy.
And you feel so fresh. Daddy mama's keep all the reasons and you're in the shadows of your best. The man say hello. The dead are children flow. Then you see on the road your dark box. Reach your body, 3 miles from the big bus. On the real the challenge. The dead man fell sick. Time to leave this firm place. Don't start to make these craze. Let you play a music here. What's that noise? Now you will get stoned. Get stoned. Get stoned.
Yeah, I hear the Slayer aspect, like the quality of Slayer. This is like very death metal, like early metal, 80s metal. It's that like the texture sound, it's like that trash sound. I don't know, like that thrash sound, Reverb. If I did musical theater, I would do like the classic stuff. The classic golden age stuff. Get stoned. Yeah, and you get the Enter Sandman riff. Very cool, guys. If this ever goes up on YouTube, if this reaction ever goes up on YouTube, I'm literally going to call it Did Metallica steal Enter Sandman? I'm sure 100 people have already done that, but it'd be so clickbaity. But here's one thing that's really cool about their screams is because it's so in the emotion, early metal is so emotional, and now modern metal has become very technical. There's literally a playlist on Spotify that was suggested to me called like Technical Masterpiece. It's just called Technical Masterpiece, and it's all like modern metal musicians. And so if that all was rooted though in doing this, it's this like fury, rage-driven musicianship, which isn't super refined, but it has so much power behind it. And that's what captivates huge audiences, is being able to transmit that sort of energy through your performing. It's cool when you're also virtuosic at whatever it is you do, but you show up to a concert like this to have that experience of sharing this rage with you. Janelle, if you've looked at any of my recent uploads, you know I'm always looking for trouble on YouTube. So Lars said that he has seen Snow.
So get stoned again.
There's no melody. He's not singing a melody. He's not like, he's not going up through the passaggio. He's not in a certain range. He's just doing it. He is just shouting out the words that are, you know, kind of hard to understand, quite frankly. Yeah, offending banana lovers and Metallica fans everywhere. I like Metallica. I have nothing against Metallica. Interesting little case study here. It's and I yeah. Oh, hey Leah. Hi Leah. Leah's Dorkney's little cousin. He's just he's shouting, but we feel the shout, you know? It's funny because nowadays singers will approach from a technical aspect in order to evoke the same emotions. They pursue the same impact of a shout in their technical singing, right? Isn't that ironic? That when all this genre was forming and when this genre was coming up to the surface as it is now, this is what we listen to, just screaming singers, because we feel something from it. It's empowering. And now we have singers who are trying to like mimic the scream, the shout from a technical standpoint, and it's hard, you know? Yeah, I think metal music is very meditative. I don't know what it is about it. That's something that we're always trying to think about. I used to listen to metal when I was like an angsty teenager. I was just listening to it to fall asleep because it just cleared my mind. Definitely clears my mind more than just like that like spa music that people listen to while meditating, right? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know anything about Stone's career, this guy's career. I don't know if he's ruined his voice or not. But as long as you have energy in your body behind it. Get out of here, Hubert Cumberdale. I'm just kidding. I mean, I don't know anything about this guy's career, but it's definitely yeah, metal is beautiful if you let it in. I think too many people are kind of shied away from the contrast that it gives, but if you really think about it more, I mean, look, this community didn't start out as like a metal community. I talk about whatever. If you request a song with a voice in it, I'll talk about the voice. I don't care whose it is. I don't care what kind of music it is. I don't even care if it's like speaking, whatever. I'll talk about the voice. But it is really, I think the metal community and the metal genre is a very interesting place to talk about the voice and how the voice is used as an expressive tool, more than any other arena there is, really, quite frankly. And that also has to do with the fact that it's such a new genre, and it's kind of still fringe, unfortunately, although a lot more people are getting into it. My friend's dad, my friend from high school, his dad, he's from Argentina, and I found out recently he watches my videos because he loves Nightwish. And this guy is an OBGYN like doctor, and he's my friend's dad from high school. He's from Argentina. He lives in the United States now, but he watches like Nightwish videos, and I found that out recently. It's like blew my mind. It's for everyone, right? You just have to give it a chance. Got to be open-minded to it. All right, let's finish this one out. Get stoned. Da 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 da. Crazy. Like the message. Get stoned. Get stoned. Get stoned. Here is already. And your eyes become stoned day. Get stoned. Let it get on to the end. Till you're stoned day. So get stoned again. know we didn't get it really well through the mix, but like, damn, that's a solo. That's a fucking riff. That's awesome. Great bringing that up. That was an awesome recording. And also quite controversial. I'm going to light a little fire under the YouTube Metallica fans, because no one's suggested Metallica here, so why not just make some enemies, right? as we sometimes do on YouTube. Vita Doden popping open a cold one. Oh, it's 7:30 p.m. Okay, you're allowed to pop open a cold one at 7:30. Get stoned. That's good. Oh man. That's awesome.